What's up everyone, welcome back to another astronomical events video where I talk about the upcoming astronomical events for the upcoming month. And so in today's video, I'll be talking about the upcoming astronomical events for the month of June 2021. Ones that you don't want to miss. And so our summer break right now is already about to come to an end, so school is also coming. So I'm gonna have to manage my time again as soon as school starts in making these videos. And if you don't want to miss out on any of my new content, especially my astronomical events videos, please do hit the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell as well. So June 1st brings us a Moon-Jupiter conjunction event on June the 1st in which the Moon will appear very close to the planet Jupiter in the night sky. The conjunction event will take place close to midnight, making this a great photographic opportunity to capture both the Moon and Jupiter together. The Moon will also be in its waning gibbous phase with 63% illumination when this happens. Now, June the 10th brings us a very special event known as an annular solar eclipse. An annular solar eclipse occurs when the Moon passes in between the Earth and the Sun. However, since the Moon is way too far from the Earth, the Moon doesn't completely cover the Sun. This creates a ring of fire around the Moon itself. Unlike a total solar eclipse, the Sun's corona is not visible during an annular solar eclipse. The path of this eclipse will be confined to extreme eastern Russia, the Arctic Ocean, western Greenland, and Canada. A partial eclipse will be visible in the northeastern United States, Europe, and most of Russia. On June the 12th, we will have a Moon-Venus conjunction event in which the Moon will appear very close to the planet Venus in the night sky. The conjunction event will happen immediately after sundown, so if you want to see this, you will have to look for the Moon to the west immediately after sunset. The Moon will also be in its waxing crescent phase with 4% illumination when this happens, so the Moon will be very thin. Mars will also be visible at the same time as the conjunction event, making it a great photographic opportunity to capture both the Moon and the planets Mars and Venus at the same time. Now, June the 21st brings us the summer solstice, also known as the June Solstice. In the June Solstice, Earth's North Pole will be tilted toward the Sun, which will have reached its northernmost position in the sky and will be directly over the Tropic of Cancer at 33.44 degrees north latitude. This is the first day of summer in the Northern Hemisphere, and the first day of winter, also known as the winter solstice, in the Southern Hemisphere. On June the 23rd, we will have a Mars-Beehive conjunction event in which the planet Mars will appear very close to the Beehive star cluster in the constellation of Cancer. The conjunction event will take place in the early evening after sunset. Venus will also be visible at the same time as the conjunction event, allowing you to photograph both planets and the star cluster at the same time, with Mars being very close to the cluster itself. Now, June the 24th brings us a supermoon in which the Moon is in its full phase and has reached its closest approach to the Earth. This phase occurs at 1840 Coordinated Universal Time. This full moon was known by early Native American tribes as the strawberry moon because it signaled the time of the year to gather ripening fruit. It also coincides with the peak of the strawberry harvesting season. This moon has also been known as the rose moon and the honeymoon. This is also the last of the 3 supermoons for 2021. The moon will be near its closest approach to the Earth and may look slightly larger and brighter than usual. On June the 27th, we will have a Moon-Saturn conjunction event in which the Moon will appear very close to the planet Saturn in the night sky. The conjunction event will take place late in the evening before midnight in the eastern skies. The Moon will be in its waxing gibbous phase with 93% illumination when this happens. Jupiter will also be visible in the night sky at the same time as the conjunction event, making it a great photographic opportunity to capture both the planet Saturn and Jupiter with the Moon at the same time. Finally, on June the 29th, we will have a Moon-Jupiter conjunction event in which the Moon will appear very close to the planet Jupiter in the night sky. The conjunction event will happen on or after midnight depending on where you are located. The Moon will be in its waning gibbous phase with 78% illumination when this happens. Saturn will also be visible at the same time as the conjunction event, making this another great photographic opportunity to photograph both planets and the Moon at the same time. So that's it for the highlights of June 2021, guys, and I hope that you found this video useful and informative so far, and hopefully to those of you who can see the annular solar eclipse for next month will be able to see it as well. And if you're planning to enjoy the night sky anytime soon, I wish you good luck and clear skies.